Once upon a lazy summer afternoon, in the small town of Willowbrook, two friends, Alex and Sarah, found themselves in the all-too-familiar predicament of having too much time on their hands. School was out, and their usual summer adventures were beginning to feel mundane. They sat on the front porch of Sarah's cozy, weathered cottage, their boredom as palpable as the heavy, humid air. Both had grand plans for the summer, but today, inspiration seemed to have taken a vacation. Sarah sighed deeply, her gaze wandering to the distant hills. "What are we going to do today, Alex? We can't waste another day like this." Alex, leaning back in his creaky chair, stared at the clouds drifting lazily overhead. "I don't know, Sarah. We could go to the lake, like always, but even that feels routine." Sarah nodded in agreement, her mind wandering like the aimless summer breeze. "Remember when we used to imagine we were treasure hunters, searching for hidden gems in these hills?" Alex chuckled at the memory. "Yeah, and we'd spend hours digging for treasure that was really just rocks and shiny bottle caps." Sarah grinned, her eyes lighting up. "What if we did something like that today, just for old time's sake?" Alex's curiosity was piqued. "You mean, go on a treasure hunt like we used to when we were kids?" "Exactly," Sarah exclaimed. "We can pack some snacks, grab our shovels, and head out into the hills, like true adventurers." And so, their childhood spirit rekindled, Alex and Sarah embarked on their treasure hunt. Armed with shovels and a shared sense of nostalgia, they roamed the hills, digging up rocks, shiny objects, and even a few marbles they'd buried years ago. Laughter echoed through the valleys as they reveled in the joy of reliving their youthful escapades. As the sun dipped below the horizon, they returned to Sarah's cottage, their pockets filled with their treasures. They spread their finds on the porch, reminiscing about each item's significance, even if it was just a rusty old key or a peculiarly shaped stone. Looking at the pile of random trinkets, Alex smiled at Sarah. "You know what, Sarah? Today wasn't a waste of time at all. It was a reminder of the simple, priceless moments of our friendship." Sarah nodded, her eyes glistening with gratitude. "You're right, Alex. Sometimes, it's in the moments when we think we're wasting time that we find the most valuable treasures of all." As the stars emerged one by one in the velvety sky, Alex and Sarah sat on that porch, basking in the warmth of their friendship and the memories they had rekindled. In their hearts, they knew that sometimes the best way to spend time was by wasting it with a dear friend, reliving the treasure-filled moments of their past. Please subscribe to our channel